What's up, guys? Good day. Hope you're doing well. First of all, I'd like to apologize to you guys because I promised to make this video ASAP and show you how to download your Tron wallet and also install it and do your start your Tron investment. All right, so I was not able to do that because I've really been busy with other things, but this morning I'll quickly run it to show you how you can do it. So quickly, this is my Tron wallet and you can see what I'm having here. All right, and first what you need to do is to go to Google Play Store, download Tron wallet. It has should I say purple kind of pinky, this colors you see in here. Or let me quickly show you the logo so that you don't get misled. This is Tron wallet, and so you go quickly to download it in Google Play Store. Now install it. After installing it, now the next thing you're going to do is to create a wallet. And once you create a wallet, you'll be given 12 words. Make sure you keep them, and also you create a password, all right, like 6 digits. Now after doing that, the next thing you do is to copy your wallet. It's either you copy it from here, this very place where you see main account, this right top, you press it, you see copy to the clipboard. Now you send it to the person you're buying the Tron coin from, and then you pay the person in Naira. The person will send equivalent to you. If you want to do that, you contact me so that you don't have problem with that. Now the next thing you're going to do is, after getting your Tron in your wallet intact, the next thing you do is to go to the WhatsApp group. Go back to the WhatsApp group, copy that link I sent to you, and then come back to this place. And now check these icons below. Check the first one, tap on it, and then it will open this page. Now the next thing you're going to do is to paste that link here, and it will automatically load. For me, I already have it, so I just press it, I just tap on it, and then it's going to automatically open for me. Now this is Bank of Tron, where you can actually invest your Tron. Now automatically when you do that, Tron wallet will now Bank of Tron will now automatically read your Tron wallet and then capture the wallet address. For me now, you can see your Tron wallet. This is it. It continues, and then below it you see your wallet balance. That is what I'm having currently. Now the next thing is the plans, investment plan. So diamond, you can just take your time and check. The dividends is every second. You earn forever in this part of the plan. And then here is where you enter whether 200 Trons or whatever, but then you'll be charged 2.5 transaction fee. And now next one goes up. This one is not forever, but it's 45 days. You get 211.5%. That's 4.7 every day. And now go down, you see gold plans, and then bronze plan. Okay, so this one actually I like it because it's giving you 120%. It is fast. You're gonna get back your money instantly. But also the good thing here is that you can also invest in 2 different or 3 different or even all the plans at the same times. Now let me take you down. This is my own this is my own statistics. You see the dividends. This one is for the referrals that I got, people that referrals. Now you see withdrawable. This is my current my current balance. You see it's changing every second. It's changing. You see now you see it change again. That's one good thing about Tron. You see it changes. Now if I want to withdraw, I'll press this withdrawal, and all this what I have I'll show you. Let me just show you this down here. So this is my total investment. I invested 423 Tron. It's about 5,000 plus, 5,000 naira plus. Now I'm talking about, you see the total dividend so far. I earned already 160 64 Tron in how many days? I started this on Monday, August what? Monday should be 11, no sorry, 19 or something. Yeah, 19th on Monday, sure. And then I was able to have one referral one referral. So this is my referral link. You also see yours. So before you see yours, you would have to start investing, okay? Before you see, so down here, these are my investments. So I was able to invest in 2 different places, 3 I mean. Now the first one is the first bronze, which is I get 6.7 every day. Now I invested 100 trons in this second plan. The I think that should be diamond or gold. And then I get 5.7 daily, and then coming down to what do you call it, the next one, 4.7. So it's again showing you. So if you want to invest, this is where you tap invest to take you or come back to this place. But make sure before you invest, make sure that it is showing you your wallet here, okay? It will automatically scan it. So what you need to do is to capture. If it doesn't see this, I mean, reload the page, just drag it, Android, or sorry, this doesn't work like that. Tap this menu and then tap this arrow, almost cycle arrow, and then it will reload. All right, it will reload. All right, so once it reload, you now see it again. All right, so it will scan it. It's yet to scan, so it is scanning. You see, scanning. All right, now this video is already long, but the good thing is you invest and then you start earning, okay, every second, and then you can withdraw it at any time, no matter how little your Tron is. You withdraw it. So like now, let me quickly withdraw and let's see what happens. It's something very, very instant. It's still loading. It has not load all my details yet. It's taking time. Let's reload it this time around. Please load now. We're taking time, much time. I don't it has loaded now. My details will show. Okay, so quickly let's go and withdraw. Now I have 40.2 Trons. Now quickly I'll tap on withdrawal. Now this one will pop up. All you need to do is to tap yes, confirm, I mean, and then I'll pause this and enter my my password. Now we're back, okay? So okay, already it has withdrawn. Now you see withdrawable is 0.0. It's increasing. Now I have 0.003 plus. All right, so let's go back to my wallet. You will see what I have. Okay, let's go back to my wallet. You tap on this very icon that is in the middle and then tap back to take you. Now all I need to do is to reload my Tron wallet. Okay, as soon as it gets here, whoa, you see, I was having 301. Now I have 341. Okay, so I am growing. All right, so this is it. We're done for this video. I think we're done, so let's just see you guys later. Try and invest. Okay, you have any question, go to the group and ask me. If you cannot, and then you can actually if you cannot have access to the group, chat me. I'll drop a WhatsApp link or a number. You chat me on WhatsApp and be part of this investment. All right, not just this one, we have different kind of investment. My name is George Candidos Amos. I am a performing and recording artist. I am also an internetpreneur. I invest. Okay, so just what I showed you, I do different kind of investment, cryptocurrency and trading, and also some others. So if you want to get along, find legit investment online, and I'll reach me ASAP, and I get you started with legit investment.